In this video, we'll learn about Chapter 1, Class 3rd Mathematics NCERT book. So let's start. Here we'll start with small activity, and this activity was given by a teacher to their student. So what activity she gave? We'll read. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Next day, when we showed our picture to each other, we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. So I'll explain this paragraph. In a class, teacher gave a small activity to their student to draw a picture of a car, and everyone was very excited because they wanted to see each other's picture and they want to show their pictures as well. So there is a boy Anshul who was looking at Dheeraj's picture and he started laughing. Why? Anshul said, "It looks like a small box kept in a bigger one." He said, "Looking at this picture, it looks like a small box is kept in the bigger box." Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. This is Anshul's picture. When he showed his drawing to Dheeraj, it was looking differently. So both of the drawing was looking differently, but both of the drawing was from same car. Dheeraj said he looked at the car from the terrace. Here is the main point. Dheeraj said when he drew this picture, he was looking the car from terrace. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Yes, children, his drawing is also right, because when he was looking at the car from top, it was exactly looking something like this. And when Anshul draw his car, it is a side view, so he was looking car from side. Have you looked at the things from different sides? Do they look same or different? So children, you can see the things around you and try to see how things look different from when you look at the different positions. And here is one example. If you look at this table from side, it will look something like this, but when you look the same table from top, it will look something like this. So from top you will just able to see this top face of the table. So same will be shown. You won't see these four stands, it will just the face of the table from top. So this is called top view, this is a side view. Now if you look at these objects, there are some objects, pressure cooker, sleeper, this is some fruit, and this is shelf. And you try to imagine how these objects will look like if you look at them from top. Just pause this video, try to imagine, then match the answers which we are going to show. Here is the answers. If you are able to match the same answer and your views exactly the same, then it is good. Again, if not, then you can again practice. Let's move to next topic. It is Rangoli, or it is floor patterns. Here is a boy, he is telling about her friend, and he is also asking, have you ever made a Rangoli? So children, have you ever tried Rangoli at your home? It's not, it is just a floor pattern, looks something like this. You can try if your mama allows, but I think she will definitely allow you. Your parents love her a lot, so just give it a try. And he's telling about her friend. My friend Meenakshi makes beautiful floor patterns. He's telling her friend Meenakshi makes beautiful floor patterns. So here are some pictures, and Meenakshi is also telling about herself. She is saying, I'm Meenakshi, I belong to Tamil Nadu. We make column patterns every morning. They are made by using dots. So to make these patterns, they are using actually dots. So this symmetry comes properly. It won't look unaligned. These are very aligned. Okay, so we'll use dots to make these patterns, and they use column to make the patterns. And she lives in Tamil Nadu. She is telling about herself and how they make floor patterns every morning. So this is the tradition, and they in Tamil Nadu mostly people are making these floor patterns in every morning. That's what written over here. Now let's move to this a very interesting story, tit for tat. And here's a very small girl, Amina, and she met a painter and she asked if, can you make my picture? Can you make my picture? Painter said, yes, sure, I will charge 200 for it. Then she agreed actually, and he have shown her picture and asked, Amina, how do you like it? And Amina was pretty shocked because it was half picture. So she said, but this is only half. And look at the interesting conversation that happened between Painter and Amina. Painter said, other half is exactly the same. Painter said, other half of this picture is exactly same if we look at it in the mirror. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. That's how he has shown putting the mirror against this picture on paper, and when he has kept the mirror, it seems like complete picture. Then he asked, now can I have my money? Amina gave him 100 rupee note. Then Painter said, but this is only the half money. Then Amina gave him interesting reply. The other half is exactly the same, so just put a mirror next to the note to get full money. Haha. She also played the same trick like Painter played. So if you put this mirror against 100 rupee note, it will give the same picture. So this is looking exactly like this. So it looks like 200 rupees. So she just played the trick. And here if you look at this picture, so we can say this is a mirror half. Okay, there may be many objects. If you draw them half, other half may not look exactly like that. We'll see some example in a minute. So let's move to some questions. Here are the first question. Have you looked at things from different sides? Do they look same or different? This we discussed in very first slide. We can answer, and you can try to answer yourself and try to match if it is matching. Otherwise you can also keep your answers. So yes, when we look at things from different sides, they will look different. And here is another example, the same table example. This is the side view and this is the top view. Same is answered here. And they are asking which picture is from side and which picture is from top. So this one is from side and this table is from top. Here is the cat who is peeping inside the classroom, and here's the question, can you help her to find out where the teacher is? So you can see, give it a closer look. See, this teacher is standing in front of the student in the class. So same you can answer for this question. Teacher is standing in the front of the student in the class. And here are some pictures. Staircases, table, chair, pencil and bus. For these pictures you need to see carefully and tell what view, from which side you are looking at these pictures. So this staircase is like side view for one example. Just try to answer for each picture and match your answer with our answer. So pause this video again for a minute and try to write the answer from these pictures. And I'm going to show the answer now. So this is the side view, this is front view, top view of the table, this is again chair side view, this is pencil top view, and this is bus side view. Now here is the draw few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. So this is some example. You can draw your pictures and then ask your friend to guess which picture you have drawn from top view. Remember, we need to draw from top view. That's it for this video. Rest of the chapter will be covered in next video. So please do subscribe my channel if you like my videos. We'll try to make it more interactive and more fun for you. Happy children kids. Happy learning kids. And have a good day. Bye bye.